a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is definitely gonna be a different video for me. These are not my normal types of videos because normally I don't have anything, okay? But today I am launching my lashes, honey, okay? Yes, you heard me right, girl, okay? You heard me right. I am launching my own lashes. I am super excited about this. I have two lashes, two pairs, two sets, whatever, child, okay, that I will be launching, and they are in the style Flawless and Iconic, honey. Yes, girl, Flawless and Iconic. And my husband actually did the logo on these lashes. Like, this is what the packaging looks like. Looks really nice, and he did design this right here, this logo, and it says Disastrous Lashes, and that's what they look like. I hope you guys can see. If you can't see them while I'm editing, I will put a picture of them somewhere on the screen so you guys can get a really good look of them. And on the inside, I actually am wearing the Iconic ones right now. But this is what it'll look like, except it will have like a little spoolie down here for you guys, down below. So yeah, these right here are the Flawless lashes that are in this particular packaging, and I will like insert a B-roll or something of the Iconic ones off my eyes, because right now I am wearing the Iconic ones, and it will come in a set like this. So you'll be getting, if you buy these lashes, whether you buy the Iconic or the Flawless pairs, they'll come like this. If you buy both pairs, you'll get two sets of these little things right here, okay? So you'll get the lashes, and you will also get, like I stated, a spoolie. Now these are the ones that I have been wearing for a while. These are also the Iconic ones. So I've been wearing these. I wore these for about 3 or 4 days, so that's why they're looking a little rough around the edges, child. But I have a little spoolie in here. I hope you guys can see it. So I have a little spoolie, a little pink spoolie in there for you guys. And I also have these hydrogel eye patches in there. And you will also be getting a lash applicator. Now I did use this one, so that's why it's out of the packaging, but yours will come in a crystal, like a clear packaging. So it will come with this as well, and all of these will be in your little kit. We're gonna call this the eye kit, okay, girl? This, you will get a little eye kit with your lashes, and as I stated, it will come, you know, all together like that in the set. So if you are interested in watching me apply these lashes, because I am going to give you guys like a little mini tutorial. I have done tutorials before on how I apply my lashes. I used to always wear bottom lashes until I could not find the smaller ones. But this, I did do a lash tutorial on how I apply my lashes. It's old. It's been a while. My lighting, my equipment, everything was different back then, so I decided to do another one since I am launching my own lashes. So I will be doing that, and if you are interested in that, as well as seeing both pairs of lashes on me, then honey, please continue to watch. But before you continue to watch, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, sis, okay? It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent to do any of those things. Make sure you do that. Now we can get into this little mini tutorial. Okay, y'all, so I've already applied this lash, and I did try to apply it with the glue, and child, it's still drying, okay? I tried. I also tried to use the applicator, and honey, I'm just a tweezer girl. I think either you're an applicator girl or a tweezer girl, okay? So I do have applicators in your packaging. So if you're an applicator girl, that is great. But if you're a tweezer girl like me, then I don't know if you'll even be able to use these. But these was just something I wanted to throw in the packaging for you guys, and I really did try to use them. But child, I'm a tweezer girl, okay? Let's just keep it all buck. I'm a tweezer girl. So, okay, so I call this method that I use to apply my lashes. And if you already know how to apply your lashes and you're not a beginner, then honey, obviously this is not for you. Okay, girl, this is not your section. You just want to see what the lashes look like. Word, I get it. These are for my girls that don't know how to apply lashes. And I call this method the Aaliyah J method. It's a reason that I call it that method. I call it that because, child, Aaliyah J taught me, honey, okay? She taught me how to do it. So I use this method to apply my lashes. And after I was having such a hard time applying lashes, and after watching her video, I never had another issue. So that is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to apply the lashes using the Aaliyah J's method, and that method uses a mirror, and I'm using a broken mirror, and I put this mirror underneath my chin or chins, depending on how many you see. Okay, girl. I put it underneath my chin, and then I look down with my eyes, not my face. I had a hard time realizing that that was the case, that I was looking down like this. Okay, you want to look down with your eyes, not your whole head. Okay, tilt your head, put this underneath your chin, and put your eyes down. That way you can see the top of your lash. And then you want to just kind of drop the lash down there like that. Okay, then you want to go on either side of your lash and pull it up. And then you want to fix it to your liking. And y'all, this is supposed to dry clear. I have no idea why I bought the white duo glue instead of the black, but I did. Okay. Okay, so it's supposed to dry clear. I'm gonna let old girl dry and become a normal human being like this side has started. So yeah, I'm gonna let this side dry, and then I'll come back to you guys momentarily with the finished look of these lashes. And these are the iconic. Okay, y'all, so these are the iconic lashes. Like, these are like what I would consider my signature lashes. I literally searched and searched and searched and searched, okay, for these particular lashes, because these are my, like, these are my style of lashes. Like, honey, this is she, honey, this is me. So yeah, I really love these lashes, and shout out to Casey for giving me the iconic name. Like, shout out to Casey for that. These lashes just, they're iconic to me, honey, okay? Iconic to she. So I really do love these lashes, and like I said, they're my favorite. I do love the flawless lashes as well, honey. Don't ever get it twisted. But the iconic ones are just signature DizastrousBeauty Chrissy lashes, honey. If you see me, then you are seeing the iconic, okay? They're just me. So yeah, these are those lashes. I am really, really feeling them. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget that down below in the comments, I want you guys to tell me which ones are your favorite. These have more of a straighter look. They're not as curled, and they're not as fluffy as the flawless lashes. The flawless lashes are definitely more on the fluffy side than the iconic ones, but these are definitely, like, these are my everyday lashes. Like, honey, don't judge me, but these are my everyday lashes, girl. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of these lashes, if you love them as much as I do, or if you prefer the flawless ones. I do want to know. I want you guys to sound off in the comments and let me know. Now we can move on to the flawless ones. Okay, girl? Okay. Okay, y'all. So this is obviously the flawless lashes. These lashes are really, really similar to the iconic lashes, except these are more curlier, and they're a lot more full. Well, not a lot more, but they are more full than the other lashes that than the iconic ones. It just kind of depends on what's your swag, what's your thing, what you're looking for, but they are really similar other than the curl and the fullness. So yeah, these are the flawless lashes, honey. Okay, these are them. This is she. Let me know what you guys think down below. Sound off in the comments and let me know which ones you prefer, which ones are your favorite. I really want to know. Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Like, if you are interested in purchasing these lashes, I will have a direct link to both of them down below in the description box for your convenience at my site, dbwigs.com. And yeah, just check them out. And once again, let me know what you think down below in the comments. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on anything that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent, honey. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna